Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning the feature on and verifying the basics. Open Settings, go to Connections, then switch NFC on. This enables tag detection immediately. Once done, make sure no heavy case or magnetic plate sits over the charging area because that blocks the antenna. If the NFC option is absent, install updates and restart the phone. That often restores system services. Finally, keep the screen on and unlocked for the first read so the phone actively scans. Next, you'll interact with tags and configure actions. Install a simple NFC utility, grant it permissions, then open the app and choose Read to confirm the tag type. This tells you whether it's NDEF compatible. If you want automation, pick Write and create an NDEF record, for example, a URL, Wi-Fi credential, or shortcut. Save and test by tapping the tag to the rear of the phone. Make sure the phone is unlocked, and you watch the app's progress prompt Finally, you finish setup and verify real-world use. In Settings, choose your default tap and pay app so transactions work. Then test by reading a tag, writing a simple record, and performing a small contactless payment where supported. If the phone fails to detect tags, try basic fixes. Toggle NFC off and on, reboot the device, clear the NFC utilities cache, and remove any case. If issues persist, check for software updates, or try another known good tag to isolate hardware versus tag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.